turkey egg McMuffin meal prep. Let's go.
Grab you a bowl, crack 6 eggs inside there. We're gonna be seasoning it up with Madu steak seasoning today. I know it's steak, but it's great on eggs. Whisk it up.
It's all in the way that you flick your wrist.
Now pour it out on a well-greased pan. Once you have that poured out, stick it in your oven that you've already preheated 350 because we're achieving a lot today. Claymore Cajun seasoning, season up your turkey. You do chicken or beef for this. You're gonna make 6 little balls. Now, once you have your little balls inside of a hot pan, push them nice and flat. We're gonna flatten out our balls. Check your eggs, make sure they're thoroughly cooked. You can do the toothpick thing, or you just see if they're fully cooked. Grab your English muffins, cut them all up. Don't forget to toast them. Now, we're gonna lay everything out. We're gonna put our slices of egg down. We're gonna put our turkey patties down. We're gonna put some cheese on top, and then we're gonna go ahead and pre-sauce the tops with some Fire Chief hot sauce because we like it a little spicy up in here. Then,
One thing you may not know, whenever we're doing these recipe videos, they take a long time. So a lot of times the food is cold by the time we get to eat it. So I gotta make it look good. Like the cheese is melting. Great thing about these guys is you can actually wrap these in a paper towel, put them inside of a Ziploc baggie, and then pop them in the fridge or the freezer whenever you're ready to go in the morning. Pull them out of the Ziploc bag, keep them wrapped in the paper towel. It'll keep them nice and moist, and throw it in the microwave. You're good to go. You got breakfast on the go. No need to wait in the drive-through line at the Golden Arches that disappoint you every time.